In this video, I will show you step by step how you can add a price alert on cTrader. So first of all, we need to open up cTrader, and then you want to go to the asset or currency pair that you want to trade. So for example, if I select GBP USD, I'm going to then open up my chart by clicking on the full screen icon next to where it says 50, by clicking on the full screen icon where it says M15 right next to the chart there. This will then open up your chart in full screen. You then want to go down to the drawing icon, and then for me personally, I will just select a line. Once I do this, you can then drag and drop this line to whatever price alert you want it to be. So for example, I will do 33,300. And then what I can do then is I can drop it there. And then if I select it, you can then click on the bell icon. And then as you can see, it will then say notify me when bid or ask is higher than or equal to that specific price. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select bid, and then once price reaches this level, an alert will then be sent, and then I can come back and then assess if I want to set a trade. I can then trade from that specific level. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can add a price alert on cTrader.